watching rain through the window. The sky turns gray, and the first drop falls, then another, and soon the rain dances on the glass. I sit by the window, a cup in my hands, watching the world blur behind the water. Everything feels calm. The streets are quiet. The noise of the day softens. It's like the world is taking a deep breath. The rain doesn't rush. It falls slowly, like a lullaby. And in that moment, my heart slows down too. I remember things, good memories, faces I miss, dreams I've forgotten. The rain reminds me that it's okay to pause, to feel, to breathe, to just be.